I'm getting a lot bored these days. It's because I'm doing remote work and I'm in my hometown, and there's not much of going out here. Much क्या होता ही नहीं है यहाँ पे कि बाहर जा सको. So that's why, and I have been in this situation from since childhood. So I have a bunch of tools that I know I can use anytime to get out of my bored zone, and I'm going to share it with you guys also so that you can also apply these things and in your day-to-day life whenever you are getting bored. Foremost thing you can do is decluttering your wardrobe, and if it is already decluttered, organize it. It takes a lot of time and I really enjoy it, and so you can categorize it based on what is casual, what is occasional, what you should donate, and all of those things. So the third is try a new hobby. So right now I am really interested in Lippen art. I've been introduced to it and I'm liking it sort of because it's new and I like to do new things. So yes, I'll be so Lippen art. If you want to do Lippen art, it is basically on a circle or rectangle cardboard. You can buy those cardboards online. So on those cardboards you can use clay and lots of little mirrors, and you can use that and make an art. So I am really interested in it, so I'll be doing it in today or tomorrow. I'll start doing it. So yes, that is it. And then you go you can also read books. I think that is a very good alternative of reducing your screen time. So yes, try getting into reading. Okay, so I'll give you a quick reading update. Currently, I'm reading The Hating Game. This is by Sally Thorne, and this basically talks about haters turning into lovers, and I'm loving it right now. I have completed approx 60% and 40% is remaining. So yes, this will be completed by this week only, and then I'll start this novel. And I didn't want the cycle to break, that's why I ordered this beforehand. And this is You Reached Sam by Dustin Howe, and let's see how it turns out to be. I think this. Okay, so it is written here. What would you do if you had a second chance at goodbye? So let's see how this goes. I wanted a male point of view, and that's why I ordered this book. So identify what you don't know. So for example, I don't know much about makeup. Like, I am interested in it, but I need to practice it to become expert in it. That's why right now I am doing that. I am making makeup videos and learning things. So yes, you can do that. And as the year is coming to end, you can also see what goals you have for future, and what is your 2025 goal, and then what is your monthly goal. That was it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.